Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new phonic language series book 1. Now open at page number 24. Children, in this page you will trace and match the sounds with pictures. So children, first you will trace the sound ill. This is sound ill. Ill. And this is sound aw. Aw. And this is sound k. K. Aw, k. And the picture is octopus, crab, lamb. So where is ill? Yes, this is ill. We will match ill lamb with the sound of ill. And which sound is this? Yeah, this is aw. Aw. Or octopus. Or octopus. Children, we will match the aw with octopus. And which sound is this? Yeah, this is sound k. K. K, cab. Now, you will match k with the cab. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. Now, open at page number 25. Children, in this page, you will circle the correct sound. Now, look at the picture. This is a line. This is a line. What is the beginning sound of line? Ill. Ill. Now, you will circle the ill. Ill line. And which picture is this? Orange. Orange. And orange. Now you will circle the sound O. And which picture is it? Yeah, this is a cup. Cup. And cup. Now you will circle the cup. Cup. Okay, children, you will open page 26. In this page, you will trace and write sound ill, aw, and k. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. Okay, children, now open at page number 27. In this page, you will color the correct picture. O. This is sound O. O ostrich and O octagon. O ostrich and O octagon. You will color the O ostrich and O octagon. This is sound ill. Ill. Ill leaf and ill lady finger. Ill leaf, ill lady finger. K. Cup. Cake. Cup. Cake. Okay, children, we will cross the lemon, carrot, and orange. Only color ostrich or octagon, ill leaf, ill ladyfinger, cup, and cake. Now open at page number 28. Children, in this page, you will look at the picture and trace the correct sound only. This is a lemon. This is a lemon. Lemon is start with the sound of L, so we will trace only sound L. And what is this? Yes, this is a ox. Ox. So ox is start with the sound of O. So we will trace O only. And which picture is this? This is a clock. This is a clock. Clock is start with the sound of k. So we will trace only sound k. Okay, children, you will complete these pages at home in the guidance of your parent. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.